Hi everyone, Kieran Brown here, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the one thing that has really held me back previously when I've been trying to cut down weight. And I found that when I stopped doing this, my progress is so much better and I reach my goals much quicker. So here is an actual screenshot of my shredder spreader. This is all my daily weigh-ins from my cut, which I did last year. So you'll notice at the top there on day 27, I was 69.5 kilos and 12.7% body fat. Now, I was so close to my goal. My goal was 12.5% body fat. So literally another couple days and I would have been there. And as you can see, it took just under 3 weeks to get under that level 69.5 and reach my goal. So what happened in this middle 3 weeks? Like, why was my progress delayed so much? And as you can see there, in just a couple days, I put on, what's that, 1.8 kilos, and it was eating out and basically not sticking to my meal plan. And it was like going out for fish and chips. It was having Indian takeaway, drinking alcohol, having like Domino's pizza, which would usually follow on from having alcohol. I know whenever I used to drink and get drunk, I would always just crave like fast food, not only on the night but also the day after. Especially at uni, I would always just order Domino's the next day, and that would just never help progress like at all. Like one of those things, it can be like 3,000 calories or even more, which completely throws out your entire deficit and then some. Uh, Empty fridge, this is another one. So sometimes if you get home and you're hungry and you open the fridge, there's nothing in there, then you might just end up jumping in the car and going to the shop and buying like a ready meal. That's what I tended to do, or just walk up to the shop and just get some, usually something really like carby or like savory, just that I can eat like straight away. And usually it wasn't too unhealthy. Like I didn't want to come back and start cooking a meal because I needed something like there and then. And also, this scone here represents food at work. So last year I was working an office job whilst I was on this cut, and every morning there was morning tea where there'll be each day a different, usually savory like snack, like scones, toasties, muffins, like those kinds of things, like really unhealthy. And it would be like 10 o'clock every morning whenever I had those as well. There's like hardly any nutrition, so it won't even fill you up. And you just get that insulin spike from all the sugar and just leads to overeating. One thing which I have been able to do quite consistently from the start is not having junk food in my house. So if that's something is a problem for you now, like you get home, you go into the cupboards, and there's a bunch of unhealthy food there, and that's what's causing the poor weigh-ins and lack of progress, then that's step one: is win the weekly shop and just have none of that stuff in your house. And then once past that point, then it's pretty much just eliminating all these things and not swaying from your meal plan. And as you saw on my tracker, it can really cause like huge delays. Like that cost me a few weeks, just having like a few meals every week that weren't part of the plan and were just, like takeaways and junk food. It really does hold you back. So, in summary, coming up with the meal plan is kind of like the easy bit. And if you're counting your calories right and your protein, then, you know, setting that up is quite straightforward. But the hard bit is just not deviating from it. And so if you want to lose 10 pounds this month, which is perfectly doable, then just try to stop eating out or just having food cooked by others, particularly if it's unhealthy. And also, no takeaways, no alcohol. Maybe like, say you're doing 12-week leaning down phase, then sure, 1 or 2 birthday meals or one night out in 12 weeks is not going to be the end of the world. Like, that's perfectly fine. If you want some one-to-one help, trying to lean down and actually having that accountability partner there to prevent you from making these poor food decisions, then click the first link in the description. It will take you to a page where you can book a call and we can have a chat about your goals and everything. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.